Students, till now we have read that Geordie managed to convince his father Penny to bring the fawn to his home. Can I ride back with Millville and see if I can find it? Tell your ma I said you can go. So his father replied that you can tell your mother that I have given permission. He sidled back to the table and sat down. His mother was pouring coffee for everyone. Sidled back means he walked back quietly. And when he went to see his mother, he found that his mother was pouring coffee for all. He said, Ma, Pa says I can go bring back the fawn. She held the coffee pot in mid-air. It means she was surprised to know that Geordie wants to bring the fawn to home. What fawn? The fawn belonging to the doe we killed. We used the doe's liver to draw out the poison and save Pa. His mother asked, What fawn are you talking about? So Geordie replied that I am talking about the same fawn whose mother we killed to draw out the poison and save the father. She gasped. She gasped means she was taken aback. She was astonished. She was surprised. Well, for pity's sake. Pa says it would be ungrateful to leave it to starve. Geordie says that I have got permission from father and he says that it would be very unkind if we leave it to starve. Doc Wilson said, That's right, ma'am. Nothing in the world comes quite free. The boy is right and his dad is right. So student Dr. Wilson, who was present there, he also tries to convince the mother and he says that nothing in the world comes quite free. It means if we have killed dog, it is our duty to take care of the fawn. This is the price we have to pay, as nothing in the world comes quite free. The boy is right and his daddy is right. Millville said, He can ride back with me. I will help him find it. So Millville said that I will also help Geordie to find the fawn. She set down the pot helplessly. It means she placed the pot helplessly. She was helpless. Well, if you will give it your milk, we have got nothing else to feed it. Mother replied that you would have to give milk to the fawn. I will not give any food to the fawn. Millville said, Come on, boy, we have got to get riding. So Millville said that we don't have much time. We have to leave as early as possible. Ma Baxter said anxiously, You will not be gone long. Geordie said, I will be back before dinner for sure. Millville mounted his horse and pulled Geordie up behind him. So Millville started riding his horse and pulled Geordie up behind him, as you can see in the picture. He said to Millville, Do you think the fawn's still there? Will you help me find him? We will find him if he is alive. How you know it's a he? So Millville said that how do you know that it's a male and not a female? The spots were all in a line. On a doe fawn, Pa says the spots are every which way. So here Geordie replied that his father had told him that when the spots were all in a line, it's a male. So I am very much sure about the gender of the fawn.